What's up guys? Today is day 79 of our DIY Sprinter van build, and today I'm going to work on completing the electrical enclosure that I started yesterday. Yesterday I picked up some wood at Lowe's to finish this part out. At least I'll build out the frame. I'm still thinking about how I want to have like a way to open it and access all the components here, maybe a sliding door or something, but that I still need to figure out. But I can finish that, and then I can even start building the enclosure for the plumbing. I can finish the plumbing because I got some of the fittings that came in yesterday that I was waiting for on Amazon, so I can work on that. And I also want to build a countertop for our kitchen. Once that's in, I can permanently mount our sink and dishwasher, as well as the stove. So I still need to stain it. I bought some wood stain yesterday over at Lowe's. So this is the color that we're going to be using, weathered oak. And I got some polyacrylic. This is the finisher that's going to go on top. Should waterproof it too. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. The clock is ticking. We got less than 2 weeks before the baby comes out. So let's get started. I'm done framing out the electrical compartment here. I think I can do like a sliding door here now that I got the rail here. I'm just thinking I can just add like a piece here that allows me to just hold the piece in place and do like a sliding board. I'll work on that another time, but this is all framed out. And then how about let's do the plumbing side while we're framing things out. Once this is framed out, then all we need to do is just cut a few pieces of board here to lay it on top, and then that will be sort of the end of the electrical component side. One thing I would probably change is this board right here comes all the way down to where that board is going to sit, so this is sort of blocking it. I might chop off like 1/2 inch because I'm going to be using a 1/2 inch board on top. That's also going to be part of the storage area on all 4 corners. I think that will make it just easier for me to lay that board flat and flush. Okay. All right, let's do that. Let's cut this off. Let's measure a few more pieces of wood for the plumbing end, and we'll frame this out. Okay, the plumbing side is now framed out. Looking pretty good on both sides here. I just need to create the panels to close it up, but for the most part, this is done. I just received the drainage adapter for the hot water here, but this space is like now so tight. It's really, really hard to get this little adapter on. So I'm just trying to finagle with getting this thing attached, this fitting. That's gonna be the last of it once I get this thing attached. So annoying. Okay, I finally got it to catch. It's not really tight because I can't even reach a wrench in here to tighten it, but I'll do the best I can to tighten it. This is just a drain line, so in the event we want to drain out the heater, or if there's a bit of an overflow, then it comes through this pipe and down to the floor. But this is not going to be pressurized or anything, so I think it should be okay. But I'll do the best I can. Change of plans. I'm not going to work on the countertop today because it's already 5 something, and tomorrow's going to rain, so if I don't finish, then it's going to be just bringing everything back and putting it in the garage. So I'll wait until it's a nicer day, then I'll start on some more woodworking stuff. What I'm going to work on now is trying to get this thing installed. This is the inlet for the water. The other day I didn't know where to mount this thing, but I was able to find a wood deck joining plate, and that's going to allow me to mount it on the side of the van. So what I just did was I cut out I drew a template of the water inlet cutout. So I'm going to cut this sheet of metal and I can get this thing mounted to the side of the van near the bottom using these 2 holes here, and just drill a big hole in the middle to just fit this through, and that will hold the inlet in place without having to drill a new hole into the van. So let me work on this one. Okay, let me see if I can use a sheet metal cutter to cut the shape out. Okay, not a bad cutout. Looks like this. Let me just cut out the center there. This one is so dull. This hose saw that I have that's for this size is just so dull. There's like no more teeth here. Let me see if there's another one I can use. It's not gonna be big enough. This is for the water inlet. 轉個窿出嚟，咁可以裝出邊。Yeah, it's not gonna work. Just use a different drill bit, and I'm just gonna cut my way through the rest of it. That was so hot, it burnt the wood. I gotta go a little bit bigger to get this to fit. That was not easy to cut. Let's see if this fits. There you go. Perfect. Let me flatten it and spray a little bit. So this is where this is gonna go. This side right here, and this is gonna get installed right on these two holes here. That should hold it in place just fine. Or somewhere over here. Yeah. Somewhere in the back here. All right. While I wait for this to dry, I'm gonna start cleaning up. It's already 6 o'clock now and starting to get dark. So that's all I have time to work on today, unfortunately. I want to do more, but every time is just not enough daylight to do more work. And I'm actually gonna help my parents finish with the painting of the garage. Get that thing over with and not have to think about it anymore. So let me do that, clean up, and then we'll have some dinner later. Oh, hi Spence. Watching some TV? Okay, how's it going? I am finally done with the garage painting and it's completely painted now. 係啊，油晒啦。
聽日下晝可能。Thank you 你。
哦，唔使，搞咗幾日啦都。
係啊，知你辛苦。
Okay，好啦，我哋食飯啦。
食飯。
Oh, let's see what my mom made for dinner tonight. We got some string beans and beef. 係咪嗰啲 right？
係啊，食埋佢啦。
Some of the fish mayo and
啲鮑魚啊。
abalone,
鮑魚啊，乾瑤柱啊。
veggies, and steamed eggs. Our simple dinners. Okay. 洗手食飯啦我哋。All right. We just got done with dinner. Rena and Spencer, they're hanging out in the living room. And I'm back in the van to finish up on some stuff. I'm gonna try to finish up with plumbing today. I think if I can get everything done, we can just wrap up with this entire section here. That's the only thing left. So I'm gonna keep working on it, and tomorrow I'm gonna continue working on the van, obviously. But it might rain tomorrow, so I don't know if I'll be able to do anything work outside. Depends on what time it starts raining. So if you guys want to keep following our DIY Sprinter van build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.